YNAB is an allocation system, a zero-based budgeting system, a digital envelope system, a system with many names, apparently, but they all mean the same thing. Once you know what jobs need to be done, assign every dollar you have to the jobs that are most important. You are now answering the question, what do I want my money to do for me? No matter what your priorities are, your money is finite, and not all priorities are created equal. After all, you can only spend $1 once, and by giving them all jobs, you ensure they are spent on the things that matter the most. Always budget for your immediate obligations first. These are all those things that you know you can't live without. Food, rent, internet, other monthly bills. They may not be the most fun things to budget for, but budgeting for anything else is going to be a lot more fun when you know you've got those things covered. After immediate obligations are taken care of, you can start embracing your true expenses. All those larger, less frequent expenses that used to sneak up on you. You may not fix the car every month, but if you have one, it's gonna need brakes and tires eventually. That yearly insurance premium is gonna come due whether you acknowledge it now or when you're scrambling to pay it 6 months from now. And why do the holidays have to sneak up on us every year? Last time I checked, Christmas was always on December 25th, right? Okay, you may be thinking, how can I budget for something when I don't know how much it's going to cost or even when it's going to happen? And trust me, I remember that exact same feeling. But when that feeling comes up, just remind yourself that since you know that expense will happen, you know it will cost more than $0. Even if you budget something, anything, then we guarantee that you'll be less stressed when it comes due. After your true expenses, budget the rest of your money too. Yep, every single dollar. They could go towards quality of life goals like home upgrades or vacations. They could go towards putting additional payments on your debt or building up an emergency fund. The point is, you need to give every single dollar a job. When you do this, you'll have a clear picture of what you want your money to do for you. All of it. You'll quickly jump from just paying your bills to mapping out a plan of the life that you want to live. You'll no longer just spend or save on a whim, you'll be doing it with intention, and you'll make sure that your money is being spent on the things that matter the most. Now, I know budgeting every dollar will create a sense of scarcity. Let's say, for example, you've got $300 in your account right now, and you have a $100 electric bill and a $100 internet bill due before your next paycheck. I assume you'd prioritize those first, right? So that leaves you with $100 left. What are you gonna do with that? Are you gonna fill up the car with gas, maybe get some groceries, or go out to dinner with some friends tonight? Maybe a little of all three. I gotta tell you, dinner out with friends is a lot more fun when I know we can fill up the car before work tomorrow. And it's easier for me to say no to dinner with friends when I know it's putting me that much closer to a weekend away with my husband. The thing is, you can only spend $1 once, so you do have to choose eventually. And that feeling, that pinch, that's scarcity. Now, I'm not gonna tell you what choice to make because these are your dollars. This is your budget, and you are always in control of your own budget. Even if you wish you had more money, at least you'll have clarity. You'll know where your money is coming from, where it went, and where you want the rest of your money to go. And that's because you've given every dollar a job.